Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is the unpackaging of my DOMS colored pencils. I bought them in Amazon and you will find the link in the description. This brand is a super cheap brand, one of the most cheapest ones. And I was curious to try it because my friend Creative Art is using it, and while watching his videos or his live stream I was seeing that those colored pencils are very good to my eyes, so I want to try them also. And yeah, you will find the link of my friend in the description as well. Okay, the packaging was not one of the best I've ever received because yeah, you know, postmans and couriers, and yeah, it's normal because this pack of 24 colors come from far away from Italy, so yeah, I don't care because I will use the colors and not the packaging. Those are soft pencil colors and they are wax based, and inside the pack you will also find a sharpener, a free sharpener. Look how kawaii is the design of this pack. Okay, this is the sharpener, and yeah, I've tried it. It's a normal plastic sharpener, nothing special, and it's also a bit weak, but yeah, it does the job and it does it very well. So yeah, I like this sharpener, and now I will try the colors on a printer paper, and then I will also show you a time-lapse video of a drawing I did just to test to colored pencil for good in a quality paper, which will be the Bristol Illustration Series paper of 180 GSM. My first impression on those colors, especially on the brown tones or in the yellow tones, is that they are very soft, and yeah, the blending is very good. I can't believe that those are pencil colors for kids for real, because I also tried the Zena colors, but DOMS is very superior compared to Zena color. Anyways, I will do some comparisons next times, like DOMS versus Prismacolor, DOMS versus Brutfuner, and DOMS versus Zena colors, so you will see the difference between two brands with your eyes, and me too. Okay, those are all the colors inside the packaging of 24 colored pencils, and now I will try to layer them and to blend many colors together to see how many layers we can use. I will also test the white color, because obviously I cannot test the white color on the white paper, so I will test it on some other colors. I will press them a bit more, a bit less. I will also test the white color on this area I'm coloring right now, because here I will press very hard at the last. So yeah, let's see it together. I've already made a tutorial about how to blend colored pencils by using the burnishing technique, so I will drop the link of this tutorial in my description. Honestly talking, I'm very shocked about the result of this blending, because I was not expecting this quality from a cheap, super cheap brand like this. It reminds me of the Black Widow skin tone set. Okay, here is the moment when I try the white color, so let's see. The best white color I've used is the Prismacolor Premier 1, which is wax based as well, but yeah, we know that Prismacolor is very expensive, and yeah, this one is the most cheapest one, I think, so I don't think that the result will be same. But as I saw, guys, the coverage is medium, so it's not same as Prismacolor. The Brutfuner white is also better than DOMS one, but as you can see, it works. Do I recommend you this brand? Yes, why not? I mean, it's very cheap and the colors are very vibrant and the blending is very cool and the white color is writing, so why not, guys? I mean, if you are young or if you don't have money to spend on art supplies, go for it. Here I'm testing the white color in the most darkest areas I drew until now, and as you can see, it's not covering the color so much. Now I will leave you with the drawing of Naruto. I will color it all to show you what we can really do with those colored pencils, so have fun watching.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the bell to support me and my channel, and see you soon with my next drawing. I will do many reviews about DOMS colored pencils, which will be comparisons between other pencil colors. Okay, take care of yourself. Ciao!